Hey Glam fam, it's TJ from Glam Goddess AI, and watch me turn a simple mock-up into motion magic. First, I start in Midjourney. Now, I am using the paid version of Midjourney, and so I do have a ton of mock-ups that I can choose from, but this is the one I'd like to share with you all that I'm actually using. The reason why I like this one, because usually when I make my mock-ups, I want them to look clean, stylish, crisp, and realistic. So once I've created my mock-up, I download the image and then I take it back into Canva. And this is where all my magic is going to happen. So here's the image that I've decided to model with. And here is the image that I'm going to put on the front of her t-shirt. All right. One of the reasons why I chose not to animate it using Canva is because when I created the animation, the image itself was moving, but then my illustration would just stay stagnant. And so they were not in sync with each other. So I discovered an app that I am just in love with, and it is within Canva, and it is called Animator. Whoops. Okay. Now, I will share with you, I am using the paid version of Animator, but you can still do this for free, although you will just get one upload every day for free, opposed to the paid version where I get 30 uploads a day, and I believe I paid $9 or $9.99, something like that, at the time that I'm creating this video. All right, so once I've decided on the image that I want to animate, I then choose a file or download it back. So because of the video, I've already done that here. And then I choose animate. And then here's what it looks like when you animate it. I know, right? Do you see how the image on her shirt is moving right along with her as if it was designed on the t-shirt? And that's why I like to use Animator. Now, let me share with you another animation tool that I've discovered. And at the time of the video, I know it is free, and that is Whisk. This is one that I use on my Etsy. And the reason that I like this one is because once you upload your image and then you click animate, this one goes a little bit longer as far as the video, and I'll show you that as well. Whoops, I went too fast. You see how this one is still going in motion opposed to the animator where I have to click the button and then it continues to play. So if you want to create stunning motion moving mock-ups, I strongly encourage you to try either Animator or Whisk. Let me know in the comments what else you'd like me to show that shows glam style. And don't forget, it's about glam time.